So you might be in a situation where for some reason your contact card on your iPhone on iOS 17 or any iOS version is not working. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons, but the very first thing I would recommend doing is going into your actual phone call application. And if you see this My Card option, that basically means you have it and you probably just didn't see it before. Now, if this is missing and you scroll all the way to the top and it's still missing, the very first thing you're going to want to do is hop inside of your settings application like this. And what you're going to want to do is you want to scroll down until you see that little contacts option. So contacts is going to open up right here. Go ahead and tap on it. And then what you're going to want to do here when you see this specific panel, you want to go ahead and tap on My Info. Now when you do that, you're going to come into this specific panel. Now what you're going to want to do here is you want to go and tap on New Contact, which is right there. So tap on New Contact, and what you're going to want to do here, you're basically going to want to set up your contact. So go ahead and type in your specific name. So in this case, you can see first name, it can be whatever it is. So you can go and type in the name of whatever your name is. You can type in your last name here as well. Now when you're done with that, what you can do is you can scroll down until you see Add Phone. Now within Add Phone, you can tap on there. And what you can do here is you can go and type in your phone number. So what you want to do is you want to type in your specific phone number. Now if your phone number is different and you're not typing in your right phone number of this iPhone, it's not really going to work the way you think it's going to work. So type in your specific phone number. Now, if you don't have a phone number, you can add in your iCloud email that you have associated with this iPhone. Anything that's associated with this iPhone, you want to go ahead and put in here, or just one or the other. Now, when you're done, you can click Done. And what's going to happen is if you hop back out and you go back into your whatever the specific panel is, you should be able to see that My Card right there will basically come up. And it should be that specific thing that you had just set up as yourself, which is me right there. Now, if you go back into here under My Info, you can change this again. So you can go in here and you can choose a different contact that you want. So this one, My Info is this one right there. So you can keep going back and forth and choose a different contact card, and that's basically how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.